Okay, so usually it's Chris that's doing these intros, but since I am a big part of today's video, Chris told me I can do it. So today it's a bit of a new format, right? So we're gonna look at actually how we're gonna use AI.
And I am a part of the new video agency he has created for this new business he's trying to start up. But I guess he will tell you more about it, in a few minutes. So I'm just gonna pass this over to him now. And maybe I'll see you again.
And yeah, that is true. So basically today we're gonna start a bit of a new thing here on this channel. It's just gonna be me using what we learned from the last 3 years, actually in practice, trying to generate some revenue, maybe start up some businesses. It's just gonna be a bunch of experimentation, and yeah, basically I'm gonna cover other major releases too, but I think it's time to actually put things into practice. So yeah, I just want to show you what I've been working on the last couple of days. This week is a bit short, so I guess longer. Next week is gonna be a bit of a longer video. But yeah, let's just get into what I've been doing this week and show you some of the things I've done with these video agents that I created. So I started basically this week. I needed to build out a bunch of different tools, right? Because we need tools to track all the progress we're gonna do going forward. So that is kind of what I spent my time on. Of course, I was using Claude Code for everything. It's just become such a crucial part of my workflow now. I can't really... Everything I do is basically with Claude Code. Here is a bit about the business I'm going to start. It's going to be one of them. This is the NPC creative business. It's going to be like an AI video agency for brands that can do AI NGC... NGC? Yeah, NGC... avatars, I guess. So this is just a mock-up page I've been creating. I will tell you more about this later. But I just wanted to share some of the tools I created this week because I think they are pretty useful, and maybe this could give you some idea of tools you need to do. So the first tool I created is kind of my... I'm doing some experimentation on shorts. This is like YouTube, and yeah, I guess it's only YouTube now. So I created 4 channels. I'm not gonna talk so much about the channels now. It doesn't really matter too much. But you can see we released 12 shorts. We have 1.2 million views. I guess we can sync them now just to see. So I created this sync tool so we can sync all the channels and get like updated view counts and retention. So now we got 1.277 million views, 13 shorts over 4 channels. So this is a nice place to keep track of the channels we are testing, right? So 2 of them have 600,000 views, and yeah, you basically get the point, right? So this is one of the tools I built this week using Claude. The second one is not a tool, this is a template. So since we are going to use different businesses or build different businesses this year, I need like a template. So this template has auth login, right? And it has Google auth and Neon database login. So you can create your account. And it also has Stripe integrated. So it kind of has the Stripe. It's not integrated, but everything is lined up. So it's basically just plug and play to get Stripe connected so we can do pricing and stuff. And we have like a simple blog if we wanted to do some, Google posts, I guess. So this is kind of the template I built, and this is what I'm going to use to kind of be kind of the root of everything we're going to do this year, I think, building out the businesses. For the agents, I think I want to talk a bit more about that. I'm going to show you the tool, and I'm going to talk a bit more about the agents I have created. So if you haven't followed this channel, you know I've been playing around with video and stuff like that, because I think that's kind of gonna be the next thing. And I think a lot of people is gonna go over to... It's a lot of kickback now, or like not kickback, but a lot... It's not so very popular now, but I think this is just gonna flat out, and I think it's gonna be viable when the technology gets better, right? So the second tool I created, or the third tool I guess, is my AI agent dashboard, because if I'm gonna generate like a big network of these agents, I need to keep track of them. So here you can kind of see it's pretty simple. We can create new agents just to keep track of everything. We can kind of use the name, the login, the password, where they are on, like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. We can have notes and stuff. And here you can see the 2 I have created. And yeah, I just gave it some kind of name here. Doesn't really matter too much. So here I have kind of the username and the password for login. I have the platforms, if they are active or not. So my idea with this is to build like a big network of these video agents that I will show you soon. So these can kind of get like, they can have special, not special, but like expertise areas or niches. So we can kind of use them for different things. That is kind of my idea. I'm going to build like a big network of these and just see if it's going to work for something. I think it can be useful. And that kind of brings us to the main topic of today. And that is going to be kind of the first business I'm going to launch. And this is going to be the NPC Creative. It's mostly like a B2B startup oriented business. It could be other things too. So basically, this is gonna be like an agency where you can get UGC videos for your brand on like these platforms. And you might be thinking, why are you talking so much about marketing and stuff like that? What does that has to do with AI and startups and doing like businesses? But this is very important, right? You got to understand that if you're going to start something, it doesn't really matter how good your product is. If no one notices it or go out and try it, it doesn't matter how good the project is because the competition is so harsh, right? And you just got to find a way to get out there. So basically, yeah, I'm kind of happy. This is a derivative of the template we created. So I'm pretty happy with this. And here you can kind of see the same thing. We have the pricing that is basically the same as the template. We have the blog, right, if you want to do that. We have the get started, and it's basically the same, but with like a new. So we are kind of using our template here. But now I want to show you some of the agents I created to actually promote this. So it's basically what you saw in the intro. Maybe it's a different person, I can't remember. So I'm going to play some of the videos, what I'm going to use for kind of, you could use for promoting this project, right? So the first one I created, I did think this was the person I used in the intro, right? So what is pretty cool is that we can do this green screen thing and we can have stuff in the background, right? So this was just an early draft of this agency, and I kind of made him talk about kind of the company here, and this is almost like a branding, like a marketing video for this. So I made two different versions, one male and female. So let's listen to kind of the minute of the first, what do you call it, like branding video, marketing video I created with this AI video agents. So I'm gonna play this 54 seconds, and then we're gonna look at the second one.
Okay, so I'm gonna be honest with you, I thought this was fake at first, right? AI making marketing videos sounds like garbage, right? But I was so desperate, so I tried this NPC creative stuff, and the videos look real. Like, I mean, really UGC real. Like, I was so surprised. And I'm kind of getting the videos now in like 48 hours instead of waiting 3 weeks for some kind of influencer doing this. And my ad cost drops now, so finally I have some content I can test. $49 a month. I don't know why everyone else isn't doing this at the moment. I guess I kind of fear that the AI kickback is gonna be bad. But the quality is just insane. I don't think even people care anymore about this. So if you want to check them out, there's some kickback for me if you follow the link in the description. Other than that, just wanted to talk about it because if you are doing a startup like me, I think this is a big change for getting your product out there. So yeah, definitely go check them out, I guess.
So that was the first one. I think it turned out pretty good. Of course, don't mind too much the background video. It's a bit strange, but I'm pretty happy how it looked and how it sounded. So now I wanted to do something without kind of the green screen effect. So next video I did was something else. So this is a female. So let me bring that up.
Seriously, I think I spent like the last 3 weeks trying to just connect to an influencer because I have my startup hike. I want to share my product, but it's so hard. So I spent 3 weeks doing DMs, emails, negotiations. And then they say they wanted $800 for like 10 minutes. $2,000 for 60 seconds, and that is just over my budget. And a few days later, my co-founder sent me this NPC creative stuff, and they are actually using AI to generate UGC content now. And I had a look, and it's pretty good, I gotta say. It feels authentic. It doesn't look like the 2022 AI feel, and they do everything. $49 a month, and I got my first 4 videos in just a few. I guess after like 48 hours or something. And I don't think I'm gonna go back to trying to catch up with influencers anymore So yeah, go check them out. It'd be a small kickback for me, but definitely worth it if you are doing a startup or you're trying to launch your product.
So again, I think that was good. Maybe not as good. There were some artifacts and stuff, but the quality is good, and I kind of like the flow of it. It seems very nice. So I'm super happy how it turned out, and I think I can start actually doing some marketing on this product. So yeah, that's what I'm aiming for kind of the upcoming days here, I think. So maybe some of you are wondering how I'm creating these AI video agents that I'm gonna kind of bring into my network. But I don't think since I'm gonna try to build this out, I kind of wanna keep that like a bit secret for now. I might do like a Patreon or something where I share everything, because yeah, it's not that hard. You will figure it out if you want to, right? It's not that hard, to be honest. But I might actually do like a Patreon or something where I share everything. Because just in the beginning now, I think I just want to keep my workflow kind of a bit secret. And yeah, that's just gonna be it. But one thing, if you haven't kind of jumped on board this agentic coding yet, like Claude Code, I recommend Claude Code 100%, but Codex or Gemini or stuff like that, I really recommend you getting started with this if you kind of want to follow along what I'm going to do in 26 and building out a bunch of micro businesses. So we have seen a lot of posts lately about Claude Code creator confirms 100% of his contributions are written by Claude itself in Claude Code. That's pretty cool, and we see a lot of posts like this that people have turned over to Claude Code and Opus 4.5, and they feel it's something is different, right? And I have used Claude Code since it launched, and that's basically the only agentic coder I have used. I don't use Cursor anymore. I just have it like the free version just to have files in here, right? But basically, Claude Code is everything I do now. It's a bit scary to be so dependent on one tool, but I think I can manage if something comes up. But yeah, basically that is what I wanted just to share today. So just to sum it up, I built a bunch of tools this week, tools I'm going to be using going forward. I built a nice template we're going to use. You can see I can turn this template into any kind of landing page with auth and payment through Stripe. So I think that's a good starting point. Now I'm just gonna, over the weekend, I'm gonna work a bit more on the agents to see what we can do with this, start building out our network, start getting some views, start getting some authority, and then we can start using these agents for marketing jobs, right? So yeah, if you wanna follow along, please give this video a like and leave a comment if you want to. I think that's pretty cool. I don't respond, but I read comments. Yeah, I don't spend so much time on responding, but if you like it, give this video a like, and if you want to follow along, check out next week. Next week is probably going to be a bigger video, because this week was very short for me, and we're going to focus more on this. We're going to start building out other businesses too. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you again probably next Friday. I'm going to try to do this on Fridays. So yeah, see you then.